Today I'm making cherry brownies. First in a pot I'm going to add 12 ounces of frozen cherries. Next I'm going to add a half a cup of sugar and cook this on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes until the cherries start to break down. Once the cherries have broken down, I turn off the heat and now I'm going to blend them up slightly, and then I'm going to place this into a bowl to let it cool down. Now I'm going to make the brownie batter, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1 box of brownie mix. Then, following the directions on the back of the box, I'm going to add water, oil, and eggs. Next I'm going to add a half a cup of the cherry topping and mix that up until combined. Next I lined and greased a 9x9 pan. I'm going to add the brownie batter into the pan and bake this at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. While the brownies are baking, I'm going to make the frosting, so in a bowl I have 1 stick of softened butter. Next I'm going to add the rest of the cool cherries that I made earlier, and it came to about 3/4 of a cup. Next I'm going to mix that up until it's well combined. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar and mix that up until it's combined. Next add another cup of powdered sugar and mix that up until combined. Once the brownies are done and cooled, I'm just going to add the frosting on top and spread it out. Here's a slice of the cherry brownie.